Welcome to Inside Daily English. Everyday life, everyday English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Inside Daily English. This is Emma.
And this is Alex. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great. A little nervous, actually.
Nervous? Why?
Well, today we're talking about mistakes, and I make mistakes every day.
We all do. That's okay. That's completely normal.
Really?
Yes, everyone makes mistakes. I make mistakes. You make mistakes. We all make mistakes.
That makes me feel better.
Good, because today's topic is very special. We're talking about learning from mistakes.
Learning from mistakes. That sounds important.
It is. Mistakes are not bad things. Mistakes help us learn. Mistakes help us grow.
I like that. So, mistakes are actually good?
Yes. Well, not good exactly, but useful. Mistakes are useful.
Useful, I understand. When we make a mistake, we can learn something.
Exactly. And that's what we want to share today. We want to talk about our mistakes and what we learned from them.
Oh, I have so many stories.
Me too. I think everyone does, because life is full of mistakes, and that's okay.
You know what? I feel excited now. Not nervous anymore.
That's wonderful, because this episode is about hope. It's about growth. It's about being kind to yourself.
Being kind to yourself, that's beautiful.
Thank you. So everyone listening right now, please remember this. You are learning, you are growing, and every mistake is a step forward.
A step forward, not a step back.
Yes, not a step back, a step forward.
I love that idea.
Me too. So today, let's talk about mistakes together. Let's share our stories. Let's learn together.
Sounds perfect. Are you ready, everyone?
Let's begin.
So, Emma, tell me about a mistake you made recently.
Recently? Ooh, I have a good one. Last week, I was making breakfast.
Okay, what happened?
I wanted to make pancakes, but I forgot to add eggs.
No eggs?
No eggs. I mixed everything, I cooked it, and then it tasted terrible.
Oh no, what did you do?
At first, I felt really bad. I thought, I'm so stupid. How could I forget eggs?
That's a normal feeling.
Yes, but then I thought, wait, this is just a mistake. I can try again.
And did you?
Yes, I made pancakes again, this time with eggs, and they were delicious.
So you learned something.
I did. I learned to check my recipe, I learned to be patient with myself, and I learned that one mistake doesn't ruin everything.
That's a great lesson. One mistake doesn't ruin everything.
Exactly. What about you, Alex? Do you have a mistake story?
Oh, yes. I have a funny one. Last month, I was texting my friend.
Texting? Okay.
Yes, I wanted to say, see you later, but I typed it very fast.
What did you type?
I typed, see you alligator.
Alligator? Like the animal?
Yes, like the animal. My friend was so confused.
That's so funny.
I know. I felt embarrassed at first, but then my friend sent me a picture of an alligator and we both laughed.
So it turned into something fun.
Yes, sometimes mistakes create happy moments, funny moments.
That's true. Not all mistakes are serious.
Right, some mistakes just make us laugh.
I like that. But Alex, have you ever made a bigger mistake? Something more serious?
Yes, I have. When I was younger, I had a big test at school.
What kind of test?
A math test. I didn't study enough. I thought I could just figure it out.
And what happened?
I failed. I got a very bad grade.
That must have felt terrible.
It did. I felt so disappointed. I felt like a failure.
But you're not a failure, Alex.
I know that now, but at that time, I really believed it.
What changed? How did you learn from it?
My teacher talked to me. She said, "This is just one test. You can do better next time."
And she was right.
What did you do?
I studied harder, I asked for help, and on the next test, I did much better.
That's wonderful. So you learned that asking for help is okay.
Yes, and I learned that one bad grade doesn't define me.
Doesn't define you. That's powerful.
It is, because we are more than our mistakes.
We are more than our mistakes. I want everyone to remember that.
Me too. Emma, do you think people are afraid of making mistakes?
I think so. Many people are very afraid
Why do you think that is?
because we want to be perfect. We want to do everything right, but that's impossible.
Nobody is perfect.
Nobody is perfect, and that's okay. That's what makes us human.
That makes us human. I like that phrase.
Being human means making mistakes. It means learning. It means trying again.
Trying again. That's the important part.
Yes, we can always try again. We can always learn. We can always grow.
You know, Alex, I think mistakes are like teachers.
Mistakes are like teachers?
Yes, they teach us lessons. Sometimes hard lessons, but important lessons.
That's a beautiful way to think about it.
Thank you. I learned that from making mistakes.
We all did.
Okay, everyone. Now it's time for our learning moment.
Yes. Today we have some useful expressions about mistakes.
These are phrases you can use every day. They're simple, they're natural, and they're very helpful.
Let's start with the first one. Emma,
The first expression is, I made a mistake.
I made a mistake. Very simple, right?
Yes, we use this when we do something wrong. We want to tell someone about it.
For example, I made a mistake on my homework.
Or, I made a mistake at work today.
You can also say, I made a big mistake, or I made a small mistake.
I made a big mistake. I made a small mistake. Both are correct.
The important word here is made. We say made a mistake, not did a mistake.
That's right. Made a mistake. Let's say it together. I made a mistake.
Good. Now the second expression, my bad.
My bad. This is very casual, very informal.
We use this with friends, with family, in relaxed situations.
It means it's my fault, or I'm sorry, that was my mistake.
For example, if you bump into someone, oh, my bad.
Or if you forget to call someone. My bad, I forgot.
It's quick, it's easy, and it's very common.
My bad. Simple and friendly.
Now, number 3. Everyone makes mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes. We use this to comfort someone, to make them feel better.
When your friend is sad about a mistake, you can say, don't worry, everyone makes mistakes.
It means you're not alone. This happens to all people.
Everyone makes mistakes. It's a kind thing to say.
Yes, very kind, very supportive.
Let's try number 4. Learn from it.
Learn from it. This is advice. We use this to encourage someone.
When someone makes a mistake, we say, it's okay, learn from it.
It means take this experience and grow, become better.
For example, you made a mistake at work. That's okay, learn from it.
Or, I failed the test, but I will learn from it.
Learn from it. Very positive, very hopeful.
And finally, number 5, try again.
Try again. This is so important.
When we fail, when we make a mistake, we don't stop. We try again.
Try again. It means don't give up. Do it one more time.
For example, I can't do this.
Yes, you can. Try again.
Or, I made a mistake.
That's okay. Try again.
Try again gives us courage. It gives us hope.
Let's review all 5 expressions. Are you ready?
Number 1, I made a mistake.
Number 2, my bad.
Number 3, everyone makes mistakes.
Number 4, learn from it.
And finally, number 5, try again.
These expressions are gifts. Use them, practice them. They will help you.
Yes, they will help you in English and they will help you in life. So, everyone, we talked a lot about mistakes today.
We did, and I feel really good about it.
Me too. I feel lighter, like I'm not carrying so much worry.
That's exactly right. Mistakes can feel heavy, but they don't have to be.
No, they don't. When we accept our mistakes, when we learn from them, they become lighter.
They become part of our story, part of our journey.
Our journey, I love that. Because life is a journey. We're all traveling. We're all learning.
And on every journey, there are bumps, there are wrong turns, there are mistakes.
But those bumps and wrong turns, they teach us. They help us find the right path.
The right path, not a perfect path, just the right path for us.
Yes, the right path for us. Everyone's path is different.
That's beautiful. You know, Emma, I think being kind to ourselves is so important.
It really is. We need to be kind to ourselves, especially when we make mistakes.
We wouldn't be mean to a friend who made a mistake, right?
No, we would say, it's okay. You tried your best. Try again.
So why are we mean to ourselves?
That's a great question. I think many people are too hard on themselves.
Too hard on themselves, yes. We expect too much.
We do, but we need to remember we're human, we're learning, we're growing.
Every day is a chance to grow.
Every day is a chance to grow, and every mistake is part of that growth.
I want to share something with everyone listening.
Please do.
If you made a mistake today or yesterday or last week, it's okay.
It's really okay.
You are not your mistakes. You are not defined by what went wrong.
You are defined by what you do next, by how you try again.
That's it. That's the key. How you try again.
So be brave, be kind to yourself, and take that next step.
Even if it's a small step. Even if you're scared.
Take that step because you are stronger than you think.
You are braver than you feel.
And you are capable of amazing things.
Amazing things. Yes.
So let's make a promise. Right here, right now.
What promise?
Let's promise to be kind to ourselves, to learn from our mistakes, and to always try again.
I love that promise. Let's make it together.
Together with everyone listening.
Yes. Everyone listening, you're part of this too.
We're all in this together, all learning, all growing, all trying our best.
And that's enough. Our best is enough.
Our best is enough. Well, everyone, we've reached the end of today's episode.
Already? Time goes so fast.
It does, especially when we're talking about important things.
Important things like mistakes and learning and growing.
Yes, I hope today's conversation helped you. I hope it gave you some comfort.
And some courage.
Yes, courage. Courage to try again. Courage to make mistakes. Courage to be yourself.
Being yourself is the best thing you can do.
It really is, because you are special. You are unique. There is nobody else like you.
And that's wonderful.
Before we go, I want to say something to everyone listening.
Go ahead.
If you're learning English right now, you are so brave.
So brave. Learning a language is not easy.
You will make mistakes. You will say things wrong. You will feel confused sometimes.
But that's part of learning. That's how we grow.
Yes, every mistake in English is a step forward, not a step back.
A step forward toward fluency, toward confidence.
So please, don't give up. Keep going. Keep trying.
We believe in you.
We really do. We believe in everyone listening right now.
And remember, we're here with you. Every episode, every conversation.
You're not alone on this journey.
Never alone.
So what will you do today after listening to this episode?
Maybe you'll try something new. Maybe you'll fix a mistake. Maybe you'll be kind to yourself.
Whatever you do, we hope you remember you are enough. Right now, just as you are.
You are enough.
Thank you so much for being here today, for listening, for learning with us.
It means so much to us, every listener, every person, every heart.
You make this show special. You make this community beautiful.
So thank you. Really, thank you.
Until next time, take care of yourself. Be gentle, be brave.
And remember, mistakes are not the end. They're just the beginning.
The beginning of something better, something stronger, something beautiful.
We'll see you very soon.
Very soon.
Thank you for joining us today.
Everyday life, everyday English.
See you next time on Inside Daily English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.